Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy Ton in Trust Wallet. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged into your account. Here you can see I'm already at the home page of my Trust Wallet. And there you can see the option buy at the top. You need to tap on that. Now there you can see the option all networks. You can tap on that. And at the search bar, you can simply search Ton. Tap on that Ton option. Now here you need to enter the amount that you want to buy. At the downside, you can also see the actual conversion of the Ton. After that, you need to tap on buy with credit card. Now here you need to choose the payment method either from Visa card payment, your Apple Pay or your Google Pay. For this video, I will simply go for Visa card payment. Here you can also see the estimate amount that you will be receiving after the conversion. Now tap on buy now. Now here you need to enter your email address. Now you can simply tap on continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address box. Make sure to check it. Now at the downside, you can see the checkbox. You need to check on that and tap on continue. After that, you will be needing to fill some of your bank details or your Visa card details. And after that, you will be able to buy Ton in Trust Wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.